Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. Firstly, as always, I'd like to give a big thank you to all my subscribers. This week I'm taking a look at some more tools I've purchased from my local Lidl. And I bought these because they don't always have them in stock, so it's a case of get them when you can. Now I've bought these because they're reasonably priced, they are reasonably decent quality, and I don't like to spend too much because, as I've said before, this is only a hobby for me, so I try to keep costs down. Saying that, it's always nice to buy new tools. I've purchased these with my own money, so let's take a look. First up, I've got some corner clamps. These are a two-piece set, so I decided to buy two, so I'd have four altogether. These were £4.99 each from my local Lidl. On the box it says, perfect for building shelving units, small cabinets or frames, automatic jaw with adjustment. For quick and easy fixing of boards and frames at 90-degree angles. Right, let's open one up. Instructions and two clamps. I think these will come in useful. The instructions are very basic, just a A4 piece of paper with printing on one side, which shows you how to use it. Width of material 10 to 22 millimeters and 90-degree angles. Right, next we'll move on to the next item I've bought. Next I've got a 24-piece socket set. There's no ratchet in this, it's just sockets in a nice metal tin. Right, let's get it out of the packaging and then we can have a look. It's a nice box, nice indicator on the underside of the lid to tell you which socket's which. Same again, each socket's numbered as well. Very pleased with this, it's a nice set. I think this is the nicest set of sockets I've ever bought. And these sockets were £17.99. Right, on the back of the cardboard sleeve it says matte finish with laser markings to help you quickly identify the sizes, which is nice. It says there's 11 sockets for a 1/4 inch drive, which is these ones, and the sizes are 4, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 and 14 millimeters. And there are 13 sockets for a 1/2 inch drive, which is this larger one. And there's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30 and 32. These will come in useful. So let's look at the next thing I've bought. Lastly, I've got this 37-piece screwdriver and bit set, and this was $12.99. And I got this because it comes with the plastic rack to fasten it to the wall. Even comes with some screws and wall plugs if you're fastening it to a brick wall. These screwdrivers have magnetic tips, which is always good. The middle screwdriver takes the little bits. It's quite stiff. In fact, I have a bit of trouble with those, I think. That's it. I think now I've got them popped out, I'll leave them like that. There's nice clear markings along the front to tell you what each bit is, and on the tops of each screwdriver they're clearly marked to tell you what bit they are. I purchased this screwdriver set because I wanted a set of screwdrivers that are going to remain in the workshop and never go out of the workshop. Because I do have a set of stainless screwdrivers that I take out and about and I use when I'm doing odd jobs for people. But this set is just for the workshop, because when I take the screwdrivers out of the workshop I misplace them, and when I come back in the workshop and I need a certain size, guaranteed that's always the one that's missing. So these will stay in the workshop, they'll never leave the workshop, and it's just what I needed. Just need to find somewhere now to screw this little rack to the wall, and I'm all set. Right, just to recap, I got 2 boxes of these corner clamps. There's 2 in each box. They were $4.99 for each box. I got the screwdriver set for $12.99, and I got the socket set for $17.99. Not a bad haul, quite reasonable prices. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.